Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to set default apps on Windows 11. Whether you're at work, at home, or studying, you want the files you have to always open correctly and in the right app. Windows 11, to its credit, is fairly good with its notifications. If it doesn't recognize a file type, it will display a helpful dialog with a list of installed apps on your PC from which you can choose. Where it all falls down, of course, is that because the OS can't recognize the file type, it has absolutely no idea what types of app it should display, and as it can only display a few apps in the dialog, it will commonly get things wrong. It's a straightforward process to repair file associations, however, and there are two ways to manage it, the first of which is very straightforward for non-technical PC users. This method is in the Settings app. Navigate Start menu, Settings, Apps, then Default Apps, and you will see default app options for all installed applications in your system. From here, you can select an app to see what file types or link types it can open. If you want to change something, select the file or link type, then choose your preferred app. There are some additional options to help users, however, for other file types. At the bottom of the list are two links. Firstly is Choose Default by File Type. To set the file association correctly, you will need to know the file extension of the file you are trying to open. These file extensions are listed alphabetically with their default app association, if one is set next to it. For example, if you want to open your .mp3 file type to other player, find the .mp3 extension below or type .mp3 on the search bar, then choose your preferred app. The second method is Choose Default Link Type. A link type or protocol is a non-file element such as a web link, URL, map, DVD burning command, or create email link. The link type is listed alphabetically with their default app association next to it. From here, select the link type you want to modify or enter the link type in the search bar, then click here below to show the options, then choose your preferred app. Now it's done. One more helpful option when your file association get messy is the Reset button. This will reset to the Microsoft recommended defaults. This covers how to troubleshoot incorrect file association on Windows 11. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.